So we are in cabin 1342, and although other videos on YouTube showed us that we would have USB ports on either side of the bed, we do not have any USB ports. We do have the standard little nightstand and lamp, but it does not have a USB port there and none behind the bed. So we are strictly down to one outlet for the entire cruise. Luckily, we brought an extension cord, but unfortunately, for our kids in their cabin, if they don't have it, which I'll show you theirs in a second, we'll check it out. Same on this side. That's a little wonky. Okay. But we did not bring an extension cord for their cabin, so they're gonna have to share, take turns. All right. Temperature in here is not super cool, but let's turn it to the highest setting. We have standard shelves, life jackets, and a spot to hang clothes. Another spot to hang clothes with a few more spots for shoes. Jason popping in with a drink in hand, tequila sunrise in case you're interested. There's the shower, toilet, and little vanity mirror with the big mirror. Typical Carnival bathroom. And spot to hang some stuff up there. So we'll crank up our thermostat. They do not have a digital thermostat yet, but we like it AC blasting. Some more storage. Our safe. Blow dryer, storage, more storage. Squeaky drawers. That's okay. And just all that information you need to know when you first get on the ship. Vanity with some extra lighting. All right, and that's it for our cabin. Let's go check out the girls. All right, the girls are in cabin 1346, right next to ours. And it is the same, just opposite. So, of course, they only need twins. They did not need it made into a king. Let's mute the TV. All right, so just same cabin, flipped in reverse. Also, they do not have the USB ports, so charging phones is going to be a little difficult. It's okay. We did bring a splitter for them, but they won't be able to sit on their bed on the phone. Same bathroom. Help us out. Let us know what this is. We can't figure it out. Maybe a frog? I think that's what it is. All right, let us know in the comments below. Do you agree it's a frog, or that's not a tail? That's a second leg that's like crossed.
I thought it was a tail.
No, not a tail. I don't know. Let us know. What is it?